one of those things that's surreal when it happens, because you're just like, first you're like, oh, whatever, somebody wants it, then you realize that, like, no, like, the vehicle should be there. So, I mean, obviously TRX gone, so $100,000 plus vehicle gone out of the driveway. Then I walk around this truck to the other side of this truck, the Hellcat Durango was parked there, gone too. Like, I lived for 24 years there. Like, I mean, 24 years, same house, and nothing. Like, I've parked all kinds of stuff in the driveway.
All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, this is right here is for my Mopar guys. I mean, like, believe it or not, guys, in the beginning, it started out as a Mopar channel. Now I just talk about cars. But I still love Mopars. I'm still a big fan of Dodge cars. Right now, they just don't have anything I'm interested in buying. On my way home from work, guys, this is story time real quick. On my way home from work, I witnessed something that just kind of reiterate the reason why I probably won't buy another Mopar at this point in time. I'm on my way home from work, and right in front of me, there's a Camry. There's like a Buick. It's like an older Buick. I forgot what kind of car it was. They both had dark tinted windows. Both of the vehicles had dark tinted windows. I seen the police get behind them. The Camry, got behind the Camry, got from behind the Camry, moved around him, went past the Buick, and guess what they pulled over? The Mopar. They pulled over a Scatpack that had dark tinted windows, just like the other cars. Me seeing that right there just let me know that those cars are a target. I mean, it was unbelievable. That's the first time I've actually ever seen it in action like that. I mean, come on now. I know they pull those cars over. I'm not a fool. I understand that. But they literally went right past those other two cars and went straight to the Mopar. And if you've been following my channel for a while, you probably follow other Mopar channels. Hemi Life 44 dropped a video yesterday asking if he should buy a Hellcat. He's already had a 392, just like me. And he was asking his followers, should he buy a Hellcat? Seeing what just happened, I mean, like I said, it's not a big deal. I don't know, maybe the guy had dead tags, maybe, you know, whatever the case may be, the police decided to pull him over. May just be simply because he have dark tint. I mean, it's the police discretion to pull over whomever they want to pull over. I mean, you know, it is what it is. But people keep asking me, why did I sell my cars? Why I don't talk about Mopars? It's a whole laundry list of reasons why I don't talk about those cars. Why I haven't bought a new one yet. And it's just for situations like that. It's like you're a target, man. Not only you a target by the police, but you're a target for thieves. You're a target for people just busting your window, trying to see what's in your car because you have dark tinted windows.
While he was home watching TV, two thieves stole his car in Deer Park. By breaking the passenger window, putting the car in neutral, while one person steered, the other pushed the car to the street. Phil managed to run to the front door and yell at them. It was 10:45 at night.
Mopar content is pretty much dead. I mean, you have TK and Butter and, you know, OC, he's starting to change his content a little bit. You have those guys still making videos, but and nobody's really watching that stuff. And there's no knock to them because I think they're great guys and great creators, but there's only a handful of people who still watching that stuff. And a lot of the people that comment under their videos just comment, they not buying nothing. Those cars are so overpriced and they haven't changed anything. Here they go again, dropping a 26 Hellcat Durango that's been looking the same since 2015. All right, guys, so you know Dodge brought the Hemi back. And this is a used Durango. And I'm just wondering how much this is. Considering they did not change anything for 2026. This is a 2019 They want $31,000 for it. Got 69,000 miles on it. They got out of their mind. Ain't no way. You can get a brand new 26 GT that comes with the 5.7 Hemi now in the 40s. So why the heck would I pay that amount for a 2019? See, that's the dilemma right there. Do you know the depreciation you will hit once you drive off the lot with this truck? And this is a base model right here. It's a 22. They want 32,000, well, 33,000 if we round it up. This got 35,000 miles on it. It has a 3.6 in it. Now, there's a lot of people who don't care about that. And for the people who already own Mopars, you good. You know what I'm saying? You good. Hold on to your car. Don't be in a rush to upgrade to something new. And I feel like the current Mopars are the ones to have. If you ask me. If you got you a wide body, even if it's not a wide body, if you currently own a Scatpack, RT, Hellcat, Trackhawk, Demon, any of those vehicles, hold on to it. Don't currently have one, you really need to think about it before you buy one. That's all I'm saying. But if you already got one, you good. I'm actually looking forward to them putting a Hemi in a new body style Charger. But I have a couple questions. Will those cars be super easy to steal? Will they be affordable? And will they improve the customer service when it's time to get some work done on those cars? You got people that comment on the other Mopar channels videos about all this. It's exciting with the CUDA and all this stuff. Bro, that stuff don't mean a daggone thing. As soon as you buy one of those cars and leave off the lot, something happened, you on your own. I don't care what nobody say. The customer service for Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram sucks. But they want you to pay $100,000 for these cars. So I just wanted to put this video out, man. Just something that was on my mind. Sometimes I just drop videos and just talk about what's on my mind. I make videos to talk to you guys just if you were sitting right here in my car and we was having a conversation. See, I'm riding by the Redskins stadium. They renovating the stadium. Look. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's gonna be the new Commanders Stadium right here. This is the old RFK Stadium that the Redskins used to play years ago. You know, I'm from DC. I mean, if people who don't know that, I'm from DC. I'm Southeast DC. For anybody who's still thinking about buying those cars, man, you have to consider all this stuff. It's easy to sit around and dream and you know, talk about all these different cars that's gonna come out and all this stuff. Man, people losing their jobs right now. Things are just not really good in this economy. And if you're watching my channel, for those who do still watch my channel that are Mopar people, you see the repo videos, you see the kind of car payments these people are signing up to pay. It's ridiculous. And all that's happening is these people getting these cars repoed. So what I probably do, if I don't lease a new Mopar, if they come out with something worth buying, I just wait for somebody to buy it, and they get it repoed, and then I'll buy the repo. And pay half of what they probably paid for. So, you know, I don't know, man. It's a lot that has to change for me. I don't talk about Mopars and stuff like that much because it's the same videos coming out back to back. If TK drop a video, then Butter drop a video, then OC may drop a video, Racer X, everybody's dropping the same video at the same time, and it's the same stuff over and over again. That's why I decided to expand my content, and I'm doing a lot better, man, a lot better. Like my channel is, I'm way more successful not talking about Mopars than I was driving a Mopar and having it on my channel. I was barely getting 2,000 views, if you want to look at it from a YouTube standpoint. And now the content I'm putting out now, which I feel is more useful, is giving value to my followers. People can actually learn. I'm learning. I can engage with my, you know, subscribers more. It's just a lot more fun than me paying $900 a month for a Hellcat or something and trying to make content and risking losing your driver's license because you're not getting any views unless you're doing something crazy in those cars. or you're doing like a rebuild or something like that. All that stuff costs money. Even if you buy a used Hellcat, they still charge a ridiculous amount for one. So when you really look at it, man, it's just not worth it. It doesn't make sense from a business aspect or a financial aspect. You know? I mean, you literally have to drop videos every 2 hours to even make any money talking about this stuff. 10,000 views, 50,000 views, ain't nothing on YouTube, guys. That's a $40 maybe. You know, and you know, people always talking about, oh, I don't watch nobody, but such and such and such. Like, bro, like, who cares? Like, nobody's even, that stuff don't even get views like that. People leave certain comments under my videos, sometimes YouTube blocks it. So y'all don't see some of the stuff that I see. Even though YouTube block it, I can still see it. And that's why they say, oh, I don't even watch the channel no more. They don't have any information. Bruh, like, nobody cares. That stuff don't even get views. I put in too much work to let my channel die because I can't get away from talking about Dodge. Like, come on, bro. And Dodge ain't giving me a dime. They ain't inviting me to nothing. They ain't sending me no free shirts. They ain't doing nothing. So why would I just kill all my hard work I put in on my channel being dedicated to a brand that can care less about me? You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, bro. I mean, I still got love for the brand. I still got love for the cars, but you know, here and there, I'll talk about Mopar, but until they come out with something exciting, I mean, what is it to talk about? We keep speculating about all this stuff that's coming out, and, you know, I mean, what is that? Like, who cares? The new Ram 1500 with the 5.7 Hemi, that's not new. That's the same shit they've been putting out. Nothing new about that. It's just crazy. I swear I don't understand. I'd rather go buy a used Hemi Ram truck and save some money. They didn't do nothing really that different. I mean, most of the people that want to buy those trucks want to buy it to do work. Yeah, the inside may be nice, but people buy pickup trucks to work in most of the time. To haul stuff. So leave your comments, guys. Appreciate y'all watching. See y'all on the next one. Peace.